Okay, so the difference of two squares. So it sounds fairly horrible, but it's very, very simple. Okay, this is x squared minus 9. This is a quadratic. Okay, but you'll notice that it doesn't have an x value in between. So normally with a quadratic you'd have x squared, say plus 5x plus 6. So we haven't got this x value in the middle. So what we've got is x squared. So this is a squared number, okay? And 9 is also a squared number. And they're being subtracted. So what we're doing is we're finding the difference. So subtraction and difference is the same thing. So this is why it's called the difference of two squares. So this is always the case when you come to these. So these are what I call a gift from God. So if we factorise x squared minus 9, we put x in both brackets and we find the square root of the number. So the square root of 9 is 3. So we put 3 in both brackets. 1 will always be a plus, 1 will be always a minus. Okay, and it really is as simple as that. It doesn't take any sort of number manipulation to factorise the difference of two squares. Now just to show you why this works, if I'm to multiply this out, so x times x will give us x squared, x multiplied by minus 3 will give us minus 3x, plus 3 times x is plus 3x, and plus 3 multiplied by minus 3 will give us minus 9. And you can see that the minus 3x and the plus 3x cancel out, leaving us x squared minus 9. Okay, so this is why we can say, okay, 1 is a plus and 1 is a minus, and we just need to put the same numbers in both brackets. So if we take x squared minus 25, well, we just open our brackets, we put x in both, the square root of 25 is 5, so we put 5 in both. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. You don't have to do this to prove it. This is it. This is all there is to it. So x squared minus 81, we open our brackets, we write x and x, square root of 81 is 9, so 9 in both, 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Job done. It really is that simple. So if you see x squared minus a number, as long as this is a square number, so you need to be able to recognise square numbers, as long as you can see that that's a square number, factorising it is a piece of cake. Solving it, as we've done with previous videos, x equals, take the number, change the sign, and x equals, take the number, change the sign. So this would be plus 9, but we don't write the plus. So to factorise and solve this really is easy. Now they might try and make it more difficult for you. Okay, so let's say we've got 4x squared minus 36. This is still the difference of two squares because 4 is a square number and we know 36 is a square number. So we open our brackets. Square root of 4 is 2. So we write 2 in both. Square root of x squared is x. So we have 2x and 2x because 2x multiplied by 2x will give us 4x squared. Square root of 36 is 6. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Easy. It really is easy. So if we've got 16x squared minus 49, this is the difference of two squares. So square root of 16 is 4. So it's going to be 4x and 4x. And then the square root of 49 is 7. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So it really is easy. So look for this. This will help you in fractional algebra. It comes up a lot. It will become a denominator or a numerator. So factorising it so you can cancel out becomes very, very easy. So the difference of two squares, walk in the park, gift from God.